professor, physician, epidemiologist. I am Dr. Sri Banerjee. Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this video, instead of going right in and talking about some sort of demonstration or some sort of skill, I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about a concept. And that concept is the idea of spatial autocorrelation. Now, when you think of autocorrelation, if you are a frequentist, if you are a traditional statistician, you might be thinking of something that you want to test for instance, multicollinearity or some sort of test which you might need to adjust for. But in this situation, it's a little different, because in this situation, you're actually kind of looking for spatial autocorrelation. That's something that you might want to actually have within the study. So in this particular study that I conducted with my colleague, Dr. Matt Jones, I actually conducted a spatial autocorrelation analysis using global Moran's eye. And on the top right, you see this equation. In this equation, you can kind of see what is going on. So here's the equation. It's actually a bit complicated if you think about it. So let's go more to the findings and see how to interpret them. Well, the Moran's index, it says, is 0.010306, and the expected index is negative 0.000485. So there's definitely a significant p-value, which tells me that there is spatial autocorrelation. And so that's a statistically significant global Moran's eye. And if you look at an analysis that I actually conducted in the R statistical package, you see the same thing. In the initial lags, there's actually similarities, but then these similarities between characteristics start to go away as the lags start to increase in number. So this might be a bit beyond your interpretation, but the first visual, which was made using ArcGIS, I think is one that is very helpful in understanding spatial autocorrelation using Moran's eye in your geospatial research. So I hope this has provided you with a brief overview about this specific concept. Thank you for listening.